Namaste. Welcome to our channel MBDH Wellness. We hope you are doing well and are in good shape and health. Today we are here in another video and are going to talk about 9 natural ways to improve your memory. Everyone has moments of forgetfulness from time to time, especially when life gets busy. While this can be a completely normal occurrence, having a poor memory can be frustrating. Genetics play an important role in memory loss, especially in serious neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease. However, research has shown that diet and lifestyle may have a major impact on memory too. Here are 14 ways to improve your memory naturally. First is eat less added sugar. Eating too much added sugar has been linked to many health issues and chronic diseases, including cognitive decline. Research has shown that a sugar laden diet can lead to poor memory and reduce brain volume, particularly in area of the brain that stores short term memory. For example, one study of more than 4,000 people found that those with a higher intake of sugary beverages like soda had lower total brain volumes and poorer memories on average compared with people who consumed less sugar. Cutting back on sugar not only helps your memory but also improves your overall health. Second is try a fish oil supplement. Fish oil is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These fats are important for overall health and have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, relieve stress and anxiety, and slow mental decline. Many studies have shown that consuming fish and fish oil supplements may improve memory, especially in older people. Third one is make time for meditation. The practice of meditation may positively affect your health in many ways. It is relaxing and soothing and has been found to reduce stress and pain, lower blood pressure, and even improve memory. In fact, meditation has been shown to increase gray matter in the brain. Gray matter contains neuron cell bodies. As you age, gray matter declines, which negatively impacts memory and cognition. Meditation and relaxation techniques have been shown to improve short term memory in people of all ages, from people in their 20s to older adults. For example, one study showed that Taiwanese college students who engaged in meditation practices like mindfulness had significantly better spatial working memory than students who did not practice meditation. Fourth one is maintain a moderate weight. Maintaining a moderate body weight is essential for well being and is one of the best ways to keep your body and mind in top condition. Several studies have established obesity as a risk factor for cognitive decline. Having obesity can actually cause changes to memory associated genes in the brain, negatively affecting memory. Obesity can also lead to insulin resistance and inflammation, both of which can negatively impact the brain. Fifth, get enough sleep. Lack of proper sleep has been associated with poor memory for quite some time. Sleep plays an important role in memory consolidation, a process in which short term memories are strengthened and transformed into long lasting memories. Research shows that if you are sleep deprived, you could be negatively impacting your memory. Sixth is practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state in which you focus on your present situation, maintaining awareness of your surroundings and feelings. Mindfulness is used in meditation, but the two aren't one at the same. Meditation is a more formal practice, whereas mindfulness is a mental habit you can use in any situation. Studies have shown that mindfulness is effective at lowering stress and improving concentration and memory. Seventh, drink alcohol in moderation. Consuming too many alcoholic beverages can be detrimental to your health in many ways and can negatively impact your memory. Being a drinking is a pattern of drinking that raises your blood alcohol levels to 0.08 grams per ml or above. Studies have shown it alters the brain and results in memory deficits. A study of 155 college freshmen found that students who consumed 6 or more drinks with a short period of time, either weekly or monthly, had difficulties in immediate and delayed memory recall tests, compared with students who never binge a drink. Alcohol exhibits neurotoxic effects on the brain. Repeated episodes of binge drinking can damage the hippocampus, a part of the brain that plays a vital role in memory. 8. Train your brain. Exercising your cognitive skills by playing brain games is a fun and effective way to boost your memory. Crosswords, word recall games, Tetris, and even mobile apps dedicated to memory training are excellent ways to strengthen memory. A study that included 42 adults with mild cognitive impairment found that playing games on a brain training app for 8 hours over a 4-week period improved performance in memory tests. Ninth, exercise. Exercise is important for overall physical and mental health. Research has established that it's beneficial for the brain and may help improve memory in people of all ages, from children to other adults. We hope you found this video helpful and are going to recommend it to your friends and family. Do let us know if you know more of such remedies. Comment the remedies or tips in the comment section. Please like, comment and share.